Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about this is exactly why they shouldn't require you to tip ahead of time. Doordash customer advocates for tipping after delivery after receiving wrong order from Firehouse Subs. Oh look, another customer who thinks it's totally okay to not tip their drivers and is looking for any reason to defend the point of tipping after delivery when we know they will not. They lie, they always have lied, they always will lie. And with that said, I actually want to go over everything that this failure is saying in this article, how it actually is for Doordash drivers, gig workers, and customers, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A Doordash customer attempted to make a case for tipping after an order is complete after receiving another person's order from Firehouse Subs. That is not the fault of the driver. In fact, the driver is literally only supposed to receive the food, mark it as picked up, and deliver it. That's it. If Firehouse Subs gave him the wrong order, that is on the restaurant, not the driver, especially since they have made it a big point to hand the driver their food. So that is on them. Now, could have been a stacked order and gave him the wrong order. Possibly, but most drivers are more organized than that. The woman, Native Honey at Native Honey 01, posted a video to TikTok on February 7th, showcasing another customer's order that consisted of 4 cookies, a cup of soup, and a sandwich. This is exactly why they shouldn't require you to tip ahead of time. She said people should do their jobs before they get their tip. This isn't my effing order. I'm gonna leave her TikTok as well as her profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. And again, that's not the driver's fault. That is the fault of the restaurant. And the fact that you're looking to find a way to manipulate drivers into doing work without being paid proves that you're the reason that people should be tipping ahead of time. Because people like that suck. Honey says she ordered 2 sandwiches from the Jacksonville-based sandwich chain, but that the Doordash driver gave her an order that was meant for Eddie, another customer. So the restaurant gave the Doordash driver the wrong order. That means you contact Doordash, get a refund, and you could potentially put in another order. That does not mean you don't tip your drivers ahead of time. The receipt for the order has the name Eddie on it. This was outside of the bag, so the driver could clearly see this order, Honey says, referring to the receipt. Here's the thing though. If the restaurant worker hands us an order, yes, we should be making sure that that's everything and all that. And no, we can't go through the bag, so there's only so much we could do. And yes, the driver could have said something. But if that's what they're handing us, that's what they're handing us. It's that simple. We gotta go. What the F, Doordash? Your drivers are effing idiots, she concluded in the video. You mean the restaurant is ran by idiots and we just are on the receiving end of your nonsense? That's what I thought. According to the caption, this is not the first time Honey has experienced issues when trying to order through the platform. My name is Native Honey. There is issues every time I order, she wrote, tagging the food delivery app. So if there's issues every time you order, maybe you should stop ordering. I love how people make those kind of comments and then they know that the problem, there is one root cause, and that's you completely making the mistake over and over again. Insanity is making the same mistake over and over again, expecting a different result. If Doordash is not cutting it for you, don't order on Doordash. Honey's video racked up over 160,000 views, and viewers had mixed emotions over it, while some who have similarly received the wrong order resonated with Honey's frustrations. Others urged her to have a little bit more empathy. You get a refund anyway, so what difference does it make? One of the top comments questions. The things you do for content, huh? Others argued the restaurant could be at fault for handing the driver the wrong order and encouraged Honey to order through UberEats instead, since the platform makes the tips adjustable even after delivery is made. During an interview with the Daily Dot, Native Honey 01 revealed what happened after the video. She said that she contacted Doordash but was unable to receive a refund since she didn't qualify because of how frequently the delivery service makes mistakes. However, she said that they did contact her after the video went viral. You know, the worst part is that you almost have to go viral in order for DoorDash to actually do something about the mistakes they make. Like, it's honestly disgusting. On the other end, how frequent are the issues the content creator experiences with DoorDash? Yes, there's an issue almost every single order, she told the Daily Dot via email. Despite the almost near constant problems, Native Honey says she still uses the app. Then it's your own fault. You're just as much as at fault if you continuously use an app or work with any company or any person that continuously screws you over. That is like dealing with a boyfriend that cheats on you. They say they're not gonna make the mistake again and they just continue to cheat on you. That is a dumb thought process. I know I shouldn't even use them at all, but I try to give them the benefit of the doubt and they never cease to continue to fail. It's definitely a very flawed system, she said. No, the system is not flawed. Yeah, there's gonna be flaws in every system. It doesn't matter what system you're talking about. Oh, the restaurant handed you the wrong order. Humans do that. We forgot the drink in this other order. Humans do that. Whenever you're dealing with humans, there are going to be things that come up that seem so silly, but at the same time, that's what humans do. They make mistakes. Computers make mistakes too. It's just not as frequent, but seriously, it's this stuff that pisses me off more than anything. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. Nothing you pay me. There you go. If you're the kind of customer that looks for any reason in the world to justify not tipping your driver, you should not be ordering on the app. I don't care if you honestly believe that every time you order on the platform everything goes wrong. If you continuously order, you are putting yourself in a position to be failed multiple times, especially since you know it's an issue. Some areas just don't have good drivers. It's okay to not work with them. Let's say you do switch to Uber Eats. You do realize that the large majority of drivers actually work on multiple platforms, right? It's just a stable way to make sure you're consistently making a good income. But if you're gonna continuously order on these platforms, you gotta understand that it's not just the driver. It's the restaurant you're working with, it's the platform you're working on, and if you're going to be ordering on the platform, don't try to justify why they shouldn't be tipping ahead of time, because at that point, you shouldn't be on the platforms. It's really that simple. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!